Hi everyone, we're here in the Euskal Kazeta kitchen in Venice, California. I'm Nancy Zubiri. I'm here today with my daughter Mia, and she's going to be helping me. Today we're making Basque Burnt Cheesecake. This is not a traditional Basque dessert. It was created in the 1990s by La Viña Bakery in Donosti, and it became an overnight sensation around the world. Bakeries everywhere serve it now, and we're going to try it today to see how easy it is to make in our kitchen at home. Okay, here are the ingredients. There's only 5 ingredients: sugar, eggs, a little bit of flour, and we actually need 2 pounds of cream cheese and then a tiny bit of kosher salt. We're using Marty Buckley's recipe from her cookbook Basque Country, and Mia is going to start the recipe off by putting parchment paper inside the pan.
We are going to take our 1 3/4 cups sugar, and we're going to just go ahead and beat that into the cream cheese. You can do this by hand, but it's easier with an electric mixer, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so now we're going to add in our 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and we're going to beat the eggs in one by one. So I'm going to start with the first one. Plastic. We are now going to add in 2 cups of heavy cream. We forgot to mention that earlier, but this is an important ingredient, so don't forget it. And we're just going to whisk that in with a hand whisk rather than the electric beater that we were using earlier. We're going to take a 1/4 cup flour, and we're going to sift it into the mixture. The recipe calls for a sifter, but if you don't have one, you can just use a strainer and that would be fine. Just helps get out the larger chunks of the flour. Okay, now that we've got the flour in there, we're just going to do our final mix and just stir that in. You don't want to over mix it, but make sure that it is thoroughly blended.
I invited Mia to join me in making the Basque Burnt Cheesecake today because she is a baker. She likes to bake and she's good at it. How easy do you think it was to make the cheesecake?
Slightly more complicated than box brownies.
Okay, all right, so we're gonna see how it comes out. So it's been 50 minutes and I need to check on the cheesecake. It's supposed to be a little jiggly in the middle. Mia's gone out to walk the dog, so I guess I'll have to do this part by myself. I want to make sure it's a little bit jiggly in the middle so that it stays creamy once it's cooked. Let's see how it looks. Oh my God. That looks amazing. So here we have our Basque cheesecake, and we're gonna try it now and see how it turned out.
Okay, so we're ready for it.
Wow, look at that. Wow, that's
All right.
ooh,
Oh, there's no crust, you're right.
no crust.
It almost looks savory.
Oh wow.
It does. It looks like baked brie.
Like a
Yeah,
giant.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, bakery, quiche kind of mix. Oh, Mila wants some. Mila heard it.
All right, can I have somebody's plate?
Let's start with you guys.
Okay. All right, let's see how it turned out.
So it's just cheesecake.
It's like a cheesecake. It's made with cream cheese.
Oh,
It has eggs in it, though.
eggs.
yeah, it looks like it has
Which is what
Okay,
gives it like the.
eggs.
that custardy
Yeah.
kind of like look.
It's not too sweet.
Yeah,
It's like just right. It's not
It's
super
happy.
sweet.
it's really good.
I can taste that cream. You said cream cheese?
It's very good.
I wasn't expecting it to be this good, but it is. It's like a very light whipped.
It is light. It's not like the cheesecake thick consistency.
right. Slide
It's
is
lighter.
good.
It does
Very
have
nice.
a whipped feel to it. Ooh, it's sticky.
Lighter than cream cheese. I mean,
Yes.
lighter than cheesecake, like
Like
regular
cheesecake.
traditional
Wow, it's
cheesecake.
really good.
Wow, very good.
What am I tasting?
It's
So it has
it's heavy cream, eggs, sugar, cream cheese,
a little flour.
and a little flour.
And how long it take for you to do this?
It was
Not
so
bad.
easy.
Oh,
It has
really?
5 eggs though. It's a lot of eggs.
Oh, is it?
But for the amount.
So it's good
Yeah,
protein.
that's, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
that's
good. Yeah.
For that big cake? It's
I guess.
big
said it's-
size.
Most cakes call for
heavy-
like 2
heavy
eggs.
cream?
That's true.
Like whipping cream.
Yeah.
But I thought it
That's
would
what I'm
taste
tasting.
more eggy,
The-
and I wasn't gonna like that, but it doesn't. It's subtle.
I'm getting hints of the game.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
Your
it's just
cream.
like, yeah, it's
No.
like a heavy cream,
An Armenian
Armenian thing my aunts make all the
Oh.
time.
It's really
It's,
good.
it's just like,
Like a-
heavy cream, custardy kind of thing.
Like flan.
Not as thick though. It's a lot. It could be. It's a more liquid kind of feel.
I like the crust too, or like the top part. That is like a little burn, but it's not like.
It's
Yeah.
like a. It acts like a crust. Because
Right,
it's
but-
like harder, right?
Yeah,
Wow, this is really
it's
good.
very, very
That's because
good.
of the egg, isn't it? Like the crust, kind of.
Because it's confusing. Mila, do you like baking?